Now, I love using Sikh to the max, but there is one feature in ShabadOS that I cannot live without. And in today's video, I want to show you what that feature is and how I use it every single time I broadcast Kirtan. Now, before jumping into all the details, I want to say fateh to all the Sikh tech Singhs and Kaurs watching this video. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. If you have any questions about the video or suggestions for future content, leave a comment down below. So the feature that I've been talking about is the ability to use ShabadOS on a computer and then access that instance of ShabadOS from any other computer on the same Wi-Fi network. Now, this may sound a little confusing or not that useful, but I actually end up using it all the time in so many different ways. Let me give you a few examples. So the first thing we have to do is open up ShabadOS on the computer and then open up a Shabad and search for it. And once you do that, at this point, you can simply plug in the computer to a projector or a TV. But if you do have Wi-Fi available, you unlock a whole set of features that you normally wouldn't be able to do. So assuming that you're on Wi-Fi, if you go into the ShabadOS settings, you'll be able to find the server address. And what you can do is copy the server address onto any other device that is using the same Wi-Fi network. So most typically, that will be your phone on the same Wi-Fi, so you can control ShabadOS from your phone anywhere in the Darbar Hall. Now, this by itself is a great use case, but let me give you a few more examples. Say you are having a Kirtan program at home and the TV that is being used to broadcast ShabadOS is behind the Kirtani, but you also want to have a second screen in front of the Kirtani so the Ragi or the Kirtani can see the Shabad that is being shown on the TV. So having two different displays, how would you do that? Now with ShabadOS, the easiest way you can do this is by getting a second computer and plugging it in to that other monitor in front of the Kirtani and then going on the same Wi-Fi and typing in that server address. And now you have that same instance of ShabadOS running, but with this computer, you can customize the font size, the theme, all of that stuff without interfering with the main TV that is being shown to the Sangat. Now, even though you're changing the font or the theme or any other setting, the ShabadOS between the two computers will still be connected. So all you have to do is control it one time and it'll update on both displays. So just to recap a little bit, at this point we have ShabadOS running on one computer that is plugged into a main TV. And then on that TV, we are controlling it from our phone that is connected on the same Wi-Fi network. But we also have a second computer that is connected to this network, which is being used for the same purpose, but showing it to the Kirtani, but their settings are a little different in terms of the font size and the look of it, but it's all being controlled through your phone on the same network. Now, as you can see, there's a ton of flexibility here. There are a few more examples that you might want to use. Say you have older Sangat in the Darbar Hall that cannot read the projector in the Gurdwara. What you can do is give them an iPad with the server address already pasted in and make the font size bigger for them. Again, it'll be connected to the same ShabadOS on the projector, but they'll have a bigger font size to read. Or another use case, say you're at a Ranzbhai and you're running ShabadOS on the computer and you're on your phone controlling it, but you cannot find the Shabad. You can actually have multiple people log in to the server address on their phone and have multiple people searching for the Shabad all together and helping each other out. Or another example that I find myself using all the time, say you're at a Gurdwara that you don't go to very often and the computer they have is not very powerful. What you can do instead is run ShabadOS on your computer, which you know is very reliable, and then go to the Gurdwara's laptop and just log in to the server address so it's not taking up as much power from that laptop. You're hosting it on your computer, but the Gurdwara laptop is just viewing it through the browser on the server address. And just a pro tip, if you do end up doing that, if you hit the F11 key, it'll make the browser full screen and you will not be able to tell the difference. It looks like you're running ShabadOS natively on that computer, but you're actually just using it as a website. If you have any questions about ShabadOS or this feature, leave a comment down below. I'll try my best to help you out. But if you want to see some behind the scenes where I did this, along with a few other things I use for Sikh Tech Seva at Samagam, I actually made a vlog not too long ago showcasing all of this in one video. Link for that on the screen right now. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.